please stay right here in the middle. Yes. Dito sa gitna. Are you ready for your question? Okay. Okay, your question is...
So, Aya, your question is from John Michael S. Ibo. Welcome home, our walo. Ano sa mga lugar na napuntahan nyo ang balak nyong balikan na magkakasama kayo?
Thank you for that question. Of all the places that we've been to, of course, it would be nice to go back to all of the places, cities or states. But for me personally, I would want to go back to Vancouver because that's where I get to run, and knowing that that's my love language, and I would want to give that to the girls. Then hopefully, they will join me in running.
Wow! Pasado ba ang sagot, Milo?
Pasado yan. Pasado sa ating mga judges. Narinig na natin, pasado ang kanyang sagot.
Yes.
There we go.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank
Hopefully for the next Beanie Run, lahat ng girls natin mag 21K. Mukha mo! Maraming salamat. Give it up for our candidate number 1, Beanie Aya. Thank you.
Candidate, tawagin naman natin si Beanie Mika. Beanie Mika, ready ka na ba sa iyong question? Ako, napakahirap nito. From Jermaine Velasquez, syempre may mga na-try kayo new food abroad. Meron ba sa isip mo na talagang hindi mo na siya makalimutan at iniisip mo siya nang paulit-ulit nakain mo yun?
For me, actually, I really can't stop thinking about that meaty, juicy Wagyu beef that was $80 and ribs and chips and I thank you.
Grabe naman yung boses.
Pasado, hindi mo siguro nakalimutan kasi ito ako. Paulit-ulit niya iniisip. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Give it up for Beanie Mika. Ganda. Tawagin naman natin the one half of our couple. Let's call in Beanie Gwen.
Oh my gosh!
Ready, ha? At teka lang, may nagre-rehearse sa likod. May nagre-rehearse. Oo, may naghahanda. Grabe. Okay, pero thank you so much for that beautiful walk, Gwen. Gwen, do you feel any pressure right now?
I don't feel any pressure right now. Zero pressure.
Wonderful answer. Okay, Beanie Gwen, your question is this.
From Nicola Ruth Mandreo Papera. Can you share a behind-the-scenes story from the tour that us Blooms would be surprised to hear?
Oh,
Naglago na ba to?
okay, so minsan sa mga arena, kasi after ng concert, doon kami naliligo sa arena. And minsan, hindi ganun karami yung shower room.
Naligi sila sabay-sabay.
Minsan yung girls, yung gusto tama na sila.
Ito mo na alam na nila ata eh.
Alam niyo na ata, minsan nagsasabay-sabay kami maligo. Kasi pero okay lang yan. Wait, hindi minsan, buong tour namin, sabay-sabay kami naligo. Pero minsan, si Nico, hindi sumasama. Next world tour. These are really good. Only my okay na daw yun.
Pero bakit kasi masaya na siya sa $80 ticket? Okay, maraming salamat.
Thank you so much.
Yun! Yan. Ito, next candidate. Ito, kanina pa lang next candidate. Ating dapat i-rehearse. Ang mga sa
mag-wait tayo bago.
Oy.
Pero as for question na to, hindi na ito makakapag-antay.
Oo.
From Regina Sheen, Santa Cruz. If you could go back the day one of your debut and whisper something to yourself, what would it be?
Whisper it, whisper it.
Ang ganda ng tanong.
Whisper. Hi Joanna. Keep your pure heart, your feet grounded, and you're stronger than you think. At mag-art workshop ka, please. Magpaturo ka mag-drawing. Kasi magaling naman mag-drawing yung papa mo si Tito Boy. At magaling yung mag-drawing. Hindi ko alam ba't di mo nakuha. Pero ayun. Thank you. Hi Daddy, I love you.
Thank you so much.
Kaling naman.
Talk about throwing. So, and then Joanna, arts right now.
Kasi pag nagdo-drawing ba ako, naninigas talaga yung daliri ko.
You know what? It's okay. Alam mo bakit? Kasi nung nabuo itong grupong ito, it is a masterpiece. Already. Kaya maraming salamat, Master. Thank you.
Ang ganda naman yan.
Thank you, Joanna. Again, reminder to our Pini Pasalubong winners sa mga napili po ng randomizer again, please proceed to the photo lobby and look for our staff na may hawak na placard ng Lucky Blue winners later on. Now, let's go to Pini Malone!
Puro kalokohan talaga.
I need an interpreter, please. Interpreter.
Interpreter. Look at the interpreter.
Randomizer?
Nag-randomizer. Okay, are you ready for your question, Pini Malone?
I am born ready.
Okay, she's born ready.
So, Maloy, your question is from Georgette Portus. In an alternate universe, let's say you're not part of Beanie, but rather a bloom. What kind of bloom will you be, and will you show your love and support to Beanie?
If I am in an alternate universe, I think I will be a kind of bloom that has a kind heart, and ititrato ko yung me as humans. That's it, and thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Grabe ha, that was a heartwarming answer kami ng Maloy. Thank you. Eto na. Another half.
Gusto ako.
Makulit.
Kulit.
Pini na lang po, Pini. Malone!
Ano talaga kaya
Ako madali lang itong question na ito. From Jose Maria Christian Leary, what's an activity that you were only able to do on your Beanie Bus that you weren't able to do normally?
Wait. Aside sa mag-sort kami ng games, kasi sobrang sikat ng bus namin. Matulog kami ng straight 12 hours. Yeah, walang alarm, hindi kami ginigising. Gigisingin lang kami nasa venue na kami. Yeah, so, guys, okay na, nalilito ko, hindi na ako makapagsalita, jet lag kami. Pero yun, makatulog kami ng 12 hours, like legit.
Ang kulit nga nila eh.
Kahit umalog yung bus, wala kami nararamdaman.
Grabe. And actually, I was telling the production, the Cloren and the girls, yung mga nakakagawa niyan, yung mga pop stars, superstars sa US.
Mas big stars lang katulad ng Beanie!
Yes, diba? Our superstars right here.
Star na kami, star.
No, never. Especially to us blooms. Definitely, we got our superstars right here on the stage. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Tulog style.
Thank you.
Ay, sino na?
Naghahanda na siya. Talking na natin. Our next candidate, Beanie Sheena. Welcome, Wizard.
Kalokohan talaga.
Hindi naman round lang, Mall of Asia Arena. Ang tanong, Sheena, kaya ba ba?
Sabi ko paharap na.
Maharap lang.
Ang ganda nun.
Nag-world tour kayo eh, so kailangan may world tour entrance.
Yes.
Okay, Sheena, are you ready for your question?
Yes!
Okay, your question.
From Jana Narido. Out of all the songs that you performed during the world tour, what was your most favorite and why?
My favorite song to perform is Pantropico. Pantropico is my baby. And yun na kasi yung last song. So sa Pantropico, sobrang full up na namin. Pantropico.
Okay, nakikinig kami. Akala ko may ibang sabihin.
Yes, yun lang. I love Pantropico. Sobrang sarap ng sayaw. And then yung world tour kasi iba yung foreign sa ibang part. So it's something new. Thank you!
I have to say, no, grabe yung mga performance mo sa bawat pagkataw mo, binibigay mo ng buong maraming salamat, Sheena. Thank you so much, our candidate, Bini Sheena.
Ini Sheena.
And last but not least,
Tama na.
Stanford fans, sumigaw para sa ating huling candidate, Bini Spicy! Dinitirahan niya eh. Yung wala hanggang dulo. Diniretso eh. Bini Stacy, yes?
Aray mawari na tour ka naman. Eto na, from Jessie Marie Infantry, Shaggy became talaga favorite of course during sa tour ninyo. What is the inspiration na gawin itong playful vibe and how did international audiences react to it?
Thank you so much, Mama Mia, for that wonderful question. Of course, we're very honored and grateful to be able to represent Filipino culture around the world. And it makes us super happy because, you know, Shaggy is not just a song or a game, it is something to be proud of. And this song allowed us to share the beauty of the game. You know, Shaggy mo. Basta ako sa'yo, hindi mo kaya to. Sisimplihan ko pa para magagaya ka. Basta pagsili mo na may susundan na, pero medyo gender na ako.
Grabe, no?
Very emotional.
Emotional talaga. Grabe. Palakpakan po natin our OG8!